Hi guys, it's Emily. Welcome back to a brand new video. Guys, we're at Knott's Berry Farm and I'm actually going for my birthday. My birthday's on the 25th of May, but we had to go on the 30th because on the 25th I had school, so we're going to go today, May 30th. I'm super excited to be at Knott's Berry Farm. We're planning to do Ghost Rider first. So I just got off a Ghost Rider. It's one of my favorite GCIs. I really like the drop, and it's a really good coaster. So next we're gonna do Silver Bullet. I'm very excited. So change of plans, we might go ride the Calico River Rapids ride because Silver Bullet is down right now. So yeah. So we just got off Calico River Rapids and it's a really good ride. Definitely one of my favorite River Rapids rides. So next we're gonna do Hang Time, and this is my first Gersh flower and I'm really excited.
Then it goes inverted, look.
So I just got off a Hang Time and that was such a fantastic ride. I got one Hang Time moment, and it was a really great coaster. Definitely one of my favorite roller coasters. Definitely recommend it.
But until then, enjoy these tunes.
So next we're planning to do Accelerator. I really think I'm gonna like Accelerator because I like Dragster. So I just got off an Accelerator. I really enjoyed it. It's a really good coaster. Definitely just like Tonto Dragster. And now we're like eating lunch and I have a burger, french fries, and a Sprite. So we just got off Coast Rider. It was actually a pretty fun ride and it was my first Wild Mouse coaster. We might next do Pony Express. So we just got off Pony Express and that was a really good ride. I really liked it. It's also a unique coaster because you're like riding on horses. So I think Silver Bullet is back open, so we might do Silver Bullet next. So we just got off Silver Bullet and I thought it was a really good ride. I really liked it. So next we're planning to do Montezuma's Revenge. So I just got off of Jaguar and Montezuma's Revenge and I really liked them both. I really liked Montezuma's Revenge. Got airtime, I wanted the spike. So yeah, next we're gonna do Sierra Sidewinder. So we just got off Sierra Sidewinder. I really liked it. It's a fun family ride and I think it's really good. I don't think I spin as much, but still I loved it. So now we're gonna go to Timberline Twister. That's the last credit, so yeah. So I just ridden Timberline Twister and that ride was very intense for a kiddie coaster. I remember the hills were very intense. So we just got back from Knott's Berry Farm, and it was a very good park. It was my first time going, actually, because I don't think I got the chance to go, and I lived in California my whole life, so I finally got to go to Knott's Berry Farm, and it was a very good park. I really enjoyed it, and it's just a lot of theming, and all the rides are really good, so I thought it was a great park. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this vlog. Bye, you guys.